Creating a lead machine. Your lead machine should have about 6 steps. The first step is the traffic. This is either through outbound or paid advertising. And then the funnel flow. This is a typical funnel flow. It could look different depending on your offer and your niche. We help you tweak that and customize it. Opt-in, VSL page, quiz and booking, and thank you page. These are the main things. VSL builds the value, quiz and booking, quiz qualifies before the call, demo, they automatically book. Thank you page gives them more information, warms them up before the call. And then there's also going to be contingency emails and nurturing emails and text as well, SMS, maybe even voicemail drops before the sales call, prepping them, priming them to really get a lot of that 7 hours in before they even speak to a sales rep. Think about how warm and qualified of a lead that is. If you don't have that in your current sales process, then you're really just missing out on a lot of warm potential business that's just sitting right there. Just to give you an example on a high level of how this may look, one, we may have an opt-in page for one of the pages, then a VSL page like you see here, a quiz page, booking page, a thank you page, and then obviously your sales call. Let's talk about the high converting VSL page. Well, this is game changing. No matter pretty much what industry you're in, you could benefit from this. And a lot of industries aren't utilizing the VSL yet. You do have a high advantage if you're in an industry that's not utilizing VSL. Now, I believe in the future, everything going online, the way the world is, it is going to really boom. And the people who are on top of this are going to capitalize and make a lot of money. Just a few bullet points on crafting your laser focused sales machine, or VSL, which is used for pre-selling. This is when you get your prospect to watch this additional sales content before the demo. Now, this sales content is carefully designed to pre-sell the prospect on your thesis, your offer, and get them hungry. And this additional sales content can be in the form of a video sales letter or a written sales letter. And there's an example you can check out. I mean, you're on it right now. This is our video sales letter. You're currently seeing the process. So I don't really need to explain too much. You can just continue watching this video and you'll see how a video sales letter should be done. We do provide you the VSL template, which is there, and record your presentation and test it on real customers. What's the pros of using a video sales machine? Now, 24/7, 365 salesperson. Your best salesperson in their best state with a proven process and argument can sell simultaneously to unlimited number of viewers 24/7. So just take that in. You can create a video that is online 24/7 that is better than any of your top salespeople. And not only can you just sell one person on it, people are constantly being driven to this page. You can sell unlimited people all at once. Just picture if you had that in your business. Prospects who engage with your mid-funnel content will self-qualify. This will shorten the sales cycles, and in high ticket sales, it usually takes a few hours or at least a couple calls to turn a prospect into a paying customer. This VSL communicates tons of pertinent information that would normally be the job of the salesperson, and this process is streamlined. Salespeople who watch the VSL hundreds of times learn exactly how to sell the product from the founder or from the head of sales or some sales superstar. This gives every new employee access to the very best training possible and makes it easier to train and ramp remote staff. Now, tracking and tighter feedback loop. When you use a VSL, video analytics can identify where and when you lose your prospect's attention. So this feedback allows you to iterate messages quickly and use data to validate market resonance points. Now, you may be wondering, what if I don't know how to build a VSL? You need to learn from someone who knows what they're talking about. There is a formula, but there's lots of hazards to trip you up if you don't know what to watch out for. When and where do I use the VSL? Start using the VSL as soon as possible with outbound messages, inbound traffic, and paid advertising. The VSL warms up cold traffic to your ideas and thesis. You can also use the VSL between the demo booking event and the demo event, or use it in follow-ups to engage and inform other decision makers within an organization. How about B2B companies? Execs? Do VSLs work for them? Yes, they do. The best hedge funds and investment banks in the world use video sales letter presentations to sell ideas and products to the richest and most sophisticated people on the planet. Who do I get to write and record the VSL? Do I need a radio voice and professional quality slides? People who know the business best should create the VSL. This means founders or execs can produce the VSL, as they should have a deep domain expertise that is required. A more junior employee can record the finished script if their delivery is excellent. People are looking for relevance and utility in a VSL. Don't worry so much about what you look like, how you sound, or the theme you choose for your slides. How do I know if it's working? You'll start hearing prospects say stuff like, "When you said this in your video, it just made a lot of sense." And soon after that, your bank account will start to grow. "I don't have the time." How long will it take to write and record? With proper training, it could take a week or two to complete your VSL, 1 week to record and 1 week to edit. It's a good idea to make multiple renditions until you hit that nerve-striking tone that conveys your message perfectly to your ideal prospect. It may take a bit of time up front to produce your VSL, but once you start using it, you'll see how it saves a ton of time in the long run and is able to fill up your calendars like never before. Pros of a niche-specific sales and marketing funnel. Your traffic leads to just one destination. You'll have much more control as you test various experiments. You'll be able to see exactly where and when prospects get lost or lose interest. You'll be able to stay much more organized as you're testing various markets and messaging. Qualified appointments automatically show up on your calendar. Qualified prospects book their own appointments. This is much more cost effective than traditional qualification and booking through sales calls. Because all of your traffic leads to the same destination, the follow-ups, remarketing, and email sequence also lead to the same page. This simplifies the process and makes your marketing much more effective. Higher ROI compared to a general website. Lower cost per demo, CPD, lower cost per lead, CPL, and lower cost per customer, CAC, compared to a general message website, since there is only one clear call to action presented. It's easy to link top of funnel content to sales funnel. You can create different top of funnel content with unique angles and messages leading to the same sales page. You can test multiple iterations, varying only one thing at a time, which gives you a high degree of certainty. Next is high converting opt-in page. It really just highlights what the VSL is about and gives them a place to opt in, put their email, phone number, name, etc., and build a niche specific sales/marketing funnel with a quiz and calendar booking. You need to have case studies on your website, and the case studies will lead back to the quiz or calendar booking. Everything on your website is leading to that end terminal. There's an example, you can check it out, executivestar.com case study. We provide you template funnel flow diagrams and wireframes. We provide literally everything. Questions on this. What tech do I need? To build a sales funnel, you'll need a landing page builder, a calendar software, a quiz software, a CRM, and an email automation sequence. All this tech is easy to use. Most errors arise from the content and synchronization of the tools. Typically, you may be familiar with this already. If you look at your tool stack, that monthly bill that keeps rising, it is filled with Zapier, Integromat to try to connect all of them maybe, and there's a bunch of different tools. Well, we have an in-house solution that literally encompasses everything that our clients get access to: CRM, email, funnel builder, quiz, everything. It's already built out on there. What does niche specific funnel mean? One funnel should target only one niche. If you have multiple niches or problems or solutions or combinations, you'll need to run multiple funnels. How long does it take to create? If you have the tools and the knowledge, you can create your funnel in a couple hours. You'll then want to test your funnel in the marketplace and then tweak as needed based on feedback and results. Do I need to know how to code? So there are many softwares today that allow you to create a sales funnel in under a few hours, and you can even give or share templates so clients can set up a proven one in minutes. How do I know if the funnel works? Well, it's really simple. If your calendar is getting booked up with qualified prospects, it works. If you still need more appointments, keep tweaking the messaging and foundational copy until your funnel functions like a machine. Here are some of our pre-built workflows that our clients get access to: email and SMS flows, contingencies and automations. We have demo, prospecting ones, nurturing ones for our book, for our customers even, advertising ones, hiring for different roles, call center, so setting up a call center, appointment setters. We have a lot of different workflows. Take a look at some of these. If you don't have some of them, maybe you should start implementing some. Distribute case studies across assets. Pretty much case studies should be flooded everywhere across all your marketing assets, all your sales assets, which will make your conversion rate even easier. Highlight case studies on website, funnels to increase conversion, as well as everywhere else.